So, we look at digital transformation in three wider buckets. The first is to see that how do we run our bank in a more efficient, secure, customer centric manner. So, which includes process transformation, technology transformation, customer journey rebuild, optimization of the sales force and the people who serve customers, looking at the kind of things that can reduce the fraud, risk, the security threat. So, pretty much everything that we do to run the bank on a day-to-day basis, how do we do it faster, cheaper and in a more efficient manner. The second mandate of digital transformation is to lead into the digital business models. So, as we start seeing most of our businesses are just not digitally enabled, but are digital first, how do we create some of those new businesses which are built around our digital fabric. And the third priority would be for us to look at what are the future ready kind of initiatives we should be participating in, be it from technology, changing landscape, innovation, and each of these is core to what we do as a transformation mandate at Kotak. Great question. I think so often ROI is linked to the revenue outcomes. That's how you call the word ROI. So, projects need to have a measurable outcome. Now, measurable outcomes can be a direct outcome in terms of revenue, productivity, but we define clearly what will this initiative lead into. It's possible that it may lead to acquiring new customers, or for us to enter into a new customer segment, or probably make our whole sales and channel more productive, or improve the customer experience that we measure through the net promoter score or customer engagement. Are engaged customers going to buy more with us, more products, or will they maintain higher balance, better stickiness? So, there is a clear defined outcome. But the second important matrix which often does not get spoken about is what is the cost of not doing something. Because when you have a large running establishment, not all projects or initiatives leads into revenue. A lot of it is to just make sure that you have a robust, stable system, especially in financial service. For example, a security breach or a cyber attack, it's not an ROI, but if something goes wrong, then it can have a large reputational and financial damage, or probably making the whole infrastructure resilient and stable. So, I think depending on what initiative gets picked up, there is clearly a defined outcome of doing it. It can be revenue, it can be cost in terms of other metrics, but that is how we define the project prioritization. So, I think there are 3 or 4 clear ones. There are many solutions that we work on, but I will pick 2 or 3 which are most relevant. I think the first I would say is everything is mobile first. So, be it an HR app for employees to manage their day-to-day work, to how they serve customer through a sales applications which are running on their smartphones, to the customer level applications of how the customer interfaces are built. So, pretty much mobility is one of the core tech pillar I would say around which most of our strategy is built. The second part of our technology solution is built around the omni-channel sales and service platforms. And platforms, when I talk about it, we cater to large institutional customers, to small businesses, to retail customers, to high net worth, and is a very diverse customer segments as a financial institution we cater to. And thereby ensuring that the platforms, be it for onboarding a customer or servicing a customer or a loan management, how do we get a customer 360 built as a part of our omni-channel platform? That would be again a big one in terms of our technology priority. The third is largely on ensuring that our operating infrastructure is scalable. So, going to the cloud, be it a hybrid cloud, DR, near DR, public cloud. So, the whole cloud security infrastructure I think is a third I would say a big tech priority. There are lot many others, but I would sum it up as mobility, building the whole infrastructure layer which is at scale, and third of course is the omni-channel. Great event, I think a lot of great interactions, a good session. I'm also getting to meet a lot of friends and meeting some of the partners who are coming out with great solutions of how they are solving problem. So I think overall it's a great connect with the entire ecosystem, and how all of this will help us lead into the future through various technology solutions.